Me oh my. Okay, so I was editing this video. I didn't even tell you what's happening. So today I woke up and I decided that I want to make something today. So I made lemon sugar cookies with like lemon icing. Switch up, and if you want to see how I make these delicious bad boys, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Missing someone. Hi, by the way. I'm making sugar cookies. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Yes, I just did that with one hand. Thanks. Make quite a lot of cookies. So the idea is that I want to ice them like lemons and like half lemons. I'm gonna put them in the oven. It's at 180, just normal baking. Oh, that's hot. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in. Now I'm gonna make the icing, but I need to get my laptop charger because it has the recipe on it, and my laptop's about to die. Hey babe. Hey babe. Are you winning? Yes. Nice. I'm just gonna tidy up quickly and then make the icing while we wait for the cookies. They've got 18 minutes left, so I've got 18 minutes to do this. I wasn't talking before because everyone was in here and everyone was on the phone to everyone. So I didn't really want to, you know. Now you put in 200, you know, I really didn't feel like doing that. I mentioned that I wanted it to be like lemons. So I want white icing, yellow icing, and yeah, just white and yellow. So I'm gonna get 2 bowls, 1 bowl to pour into white and the other one to make yellow. 2 cups of icing sugar. So 2 cups of icing sugar. So I'm gonna sift it in. How much butter do we need? We need a 1/4 teaspoon of butter. Okay. How much boiling water? Wait.
2 tablespoons.
Okay. Add butter and sufficient boiling water to mix to a spreadable consistency. That's what it says. Do they look good?
They look really good.
But then I was thinking, I want them to cool before I put the icing on. Yeah. I'm just gonna let them cool before I ice a lot of them. If you made them, please tag me in your pictures because they are so cute. Okay, bye.